What's up, guys? I'm sorry. Just excuse this mess. I need to go to the barbershop and get a nice clean haircut and everything. So, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. If you guys see, I haven't posted video for like a week or maybe more, because if you guys remember my last post, my girl, she was not feeling well. She was in the hospital for like 4 days straight. So right now I'm here cleaning my my daughter room. Excuse this mess over here, but look at the difference from this side of the carpet and that side of the carpet. Look at the difference, clean, dirty. So this is the baby bed over here. This is the crib right here. So I'm just cleaning this right now so I can put the crib on this side. Anyway, guys, stay tuned, keep watching the video, and I might have a surprise for you guys later, so keep watching the video. Okay, so now the carpet is clean. This things over here, this is paint, so there's no way that this is gonna come out unless I use a powerful carpet cleaner. So like right now what I'm gonna do is open the windows so like fresh air can come inside the house and dry the carpet for me. And then after that I'm gonna install the bed and put it, I think we're thinking about right in this corner. And if you guys can see, this is my baby girl right here. This is the beautiful Zizi right here. See you guys when this carpet dry. Okay guys, so if you guys saw, I just wiped down the bed frame. I'm gonna vacuum this little thing over here, and I wipe it down with chlorine wipes, to kill whatever germs it was on that box or whatever. So now it's time to build the bed.
I'll do that one. That one is easy. Yeah, I'm recording me doing this.
I'm telling, ooh, baby. So this is the baby, so right? So put the baby right here, look. See? Oh, right there. Ah, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep, yeah.
I think it's sleeping already.
That's it.
It's been sleeping.
We out, you see? Okay, so the baby crib is gonna go right here. And the reason why we put it right there, it's because this door face our room right here. So we're gonna keep this door wide open and the baby gonna be right here. So while we here, we can clearly see the baby with no problem. Anyway, okay, let me put the mattress, and after that, that's it. We're gonna put more decorations. We're gonna clean that mess over there. And this is the first pictures that I showed earlier. Those are our diplomas, her diplomas and my diploma.
So we are opening the mattress so we can put the mattress protector, which is a plastic protector just in case, you know, so the mattress doesn't get ruined, doesn't get wet. Over here I have the border of the bed. Basically this is to make sure that she doesn't bump her head or get hurt. So we're gonna put this after, you know, after we're done putting the protector on the mattress. Hey, that's for the baby, not for you.
Okay. You know what? Listen, I might sleep with the baby over here one day. You know I go over there.
And break the bed?
No.
Hopefully it should.
Oh, this is cute, man. You know. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so I believe you guys get the picture. So the baby just lay right there. So you guys know how a lot of kids are. Even some of us adults that move a lot when they sleeping, so they don't bounce their head over here or anything like that.
Oh, this is so adorable.
Like this even there's a lot of adult people that when they sleeping they move a lot, right?
I don't know who you're talking about.
Right? There's like a lot of adult people that they move on. But yeah. Oh man, this is so cute. I cannot wait for the rest of the things. So yeah guys, we're gonna end the video over here right now. You know, the main focus today was to build the baby crib, because tomorrow we're gonna get the rest of the things. I gotta throw this mess outside because it's garbage day today. Giveaway is I'm gonna give $1,000 to 10 people, meaning like $100 for 10 people if we reach to 5,000 subscribers. That is what I'm gonna do.
So you're giving $100 for each person?
$100 each person.
Okay,
so that means
for 10 people.
I'm gonna choose 10 people. That is equals $1,000.
Okay.
Boom, 10 people, $100 each. That is equal $1,000. If you guys get our channel to 5,000 subscribers, all you have to do is just watch the whole entire video, like the video, and comment on the video, and share with your family and friends. That's all you guys have to do. So whoever like the video the most and is more active on the channel, that is a person that's gonna win that $100. So do that. And right now she's gonna remove my brace and I'm gonna go get a haircut, and after that we're gonna go straight to sleep. So have a good one guys, enjoy, and I see you guys in the next video. Pew.